I want to introduce myself. My name is Naomi R. Rongpharpi. Rongpharpi, I took it because in Karbi traditional, when you get married to Karbi family, I think you take your mother-in-law's title. So in respect of the Karbi traditional, I have taken Rongpharpi. Otherwise, I am Naomi Sukuram. I am from Arunachal Pradesh, and I am the daughter-in-law of Moina Rongpharpi. So I and my husband, we've always been out. We came back 2016 here, 2016 December 12. And from the time I came, it's been like almost 6 years now. And I have seen this Timung family, Kamal Singh Timung, Biren Singh Timung. I've seen them coming here so many times and talking to my father and mother-in-law. But we never really bothered because when they are talking, why should we involve, So we really didn't bother. And I have always seen my mother-in-law crying after talking to them. So we didn't really bother. But now, last year that my mother-in-law passed away, I was curious actually what happened and then what was the matter and who are those people. So that's when my father-in-law told me that we have a plot of land in Puloni, and that plot of land belonged to your mother-in-law, that is Moina Rongpharpi. I just wanted the proof. And I asked proof from my father-in-law, that is Jonathan Taro, and he gave me, he handed over me files of documents. So when I checked the documents, all the documents were very clear. In 2000, before that, all is written in Assamese. I cannot read Assamese, so I don't know, but there are, it's already, in 2000, ARO has already passed the verdict that, the land belongs to this much, this much, that. My husband already told you how much. So, and then after this, again, we have another record that, another record that they have gone to the council court and all the parties were present, all the hearing parties were present, and after this also verdict same, that demarcate the land and then hand over to both the parties. So after all these things, after so many multiple orders, they are supposed to go and tell the higher authority. But here I saw them totally involved with these villagers, with the in spite of knowing that the land is disputed. It's not like he didn't know. When the survey was done on 8th of July, he was there also. Even he was present, and then village head was present, the Gambura is present, and the Sarkari Gambura, both were present. And he saw that the survey is already done.
Can you tell me what is the name of Sarkari Gambura and Gambura?
Yes, one Sarkari Gambura is Welson Bay, there's Welson Bay, and another one is Bidya Singh Bay. Gambura of Korna Bay. Both of them, one from Sarkari Gambura is also Welson Bay from Korna Bay Gao, and another one, the Gambura, is Bidya Singh Bay from Korna Bay Gao. Now the Gambura should know their duty. Gambura belongs to no one. Gambura is a middleman. Gambura, it's there to settle the dispute, not involved with the dispute and then work biasly. So when he knew that it's disputed land, because we like personally went to his house and told them what exactly the matter was, and he himself told us that let the verdict come from council. Whatever the verdict comes from the verdict, we are okay. He said like that. And then Gambura said that the village Gambura, when survey was done, he didn't know who was Nihang Rongpar, who, they've been eating here for 70 years, whatever years. You should do some research. I came 5 years back, but I know who Nihang Rongpar was. I did some research and I found this book, No Thengpi. This is written by Dharam Singh Theron. It's page number 4, page number 104. Page number 104. Please read. There is detail about Nihang Rongpar. It's written. Please read. I would say you should read even the Timung family also. You said we don't know who Nihang Rongpar was. Well, whatever you have today is because of Nihang Rongpar only. So please know who Nihang Rongpar was. And there is one Karbi book also called Lama Klim. I think this is a class 4 books in LP school, government school. Here also Nihang Rongpar is written. Nihang Rongpar. Demarcation has not been done till now. According to map, we know our boundaries. One is highway, another one is Jugas Kaklari, the hardware shop, and another one is Uttam Das Seal. And we don't know the behind the Timung side, we don't know the exact boundary. Now on 8th of July, with ARO and all the settlement officers, all the staff, we went to the ground for the survey. We did the survey, and then they have measured the land, and then it came out around 28 bigas, approximately 28 bigas, 27 point something, but like say 28 biga approximately. But R is like 24 biga according to our patta. 24 biga, 4 quotas, 16 lusa. So that after the survey, ARO has sent the report to the Joint Secretary, and from there the order was supposed to come, whatever order, whoever favor it is. So till then we're not supposed to touch the land. And even Joint Secretary, ARO, and all the officials, they told us directly that nobody will touch the land, touch the disputed land unless the order comes. But on when we went, 1st of August, when we when we went to the ground, we got information that they are sowing the paddy in your land. So when we went, and then there were like hundreds of people. Then we went to stop them. Then police also came. Then they even pushed the police and whatever, I don't know, whatever conversation they had with police, and after some time police just left off. But we were still there, and they had we had some heated arguments. And surprisingly, to my surprise, Gambura is a village head, and the Sarkari Go Gambura, both were like literally involved in this disputed land. According to me, even in Arunachal Pradesh, we have Gamburas. Okay, and these Gamburas are from the British colonial. This started from by the Britishers. Why? To look after the village. These Gamburas are the ears, nose, and eyes of the district administration.
Rimen ke jirsong taro, mapen dum karbiang long akeja abang karitang nihang Rongphar asupulo, mapen nihang Rongphar ke Karbiang long second CEM lo, lapen fourth CEM lo, nasi nili nang nitumpan pini nang kehang press release pinang ko atheke justice ke long jepan, lapen dikeke ilitum kehayaman ke do Dr. Tuli Ram Ronghang panstami alang lihin pen, prabjin pen nilitum a problem nang solve pidunji pansi nili radatungno pini press release pinang kok lo nili details alam inje dam de ko nili thi hek pen alam than kulam nili phu nihang Rongphar aputha alang li 1951 Karbiang long hemprek long that pen Mikir Hills alang li pulunia hawat longle raidun lo lapen alang li bangke politician amat si alang li bangke ada chido de lo sta kelang amang munit alang li jirpo khas Sukuram Timung ke alang li jirpo lo alang li ke Sukuram Timung ke ha jomna mukpen si ke wang Karbiang long district long lo pen ke nilipu ni hang Rongphar alang li phan chehang de lo jomna muk hawar pen je ko Karbiang long ta district long lo pot nang lile ladak nili long linang lang pinon lapen nang li parman tamu nili nang mathapo nang tipo pulo matsi alang li caretaker hisap Sukuram Timung phan puluni hawar long alang li phan palang lo lapen record matado ladak nili long ho 1951 pen nihang Rongphar men sido sita unfortunately nilipu nihang Rongphar bang 1958 hut alang li si voi jui lo si cho bom hut si amat si api nili phi ban Sukuram Timung caretaker pen alang li office damsi office sita buhi along Sukuram Timung nomor isi la pen nomor hini Indera Rongpharpi nomor ke thom Moina Rongpharpi daughter of Nihang Rongphar wala da clearly to sita buhi long 1958 nilu tum thang la dak duplicate pata salam le council pen si nang thak pa me lo order nang li tum phan nang no tang paklang lo dak ta chok lim lo lang tum pukin na 60 70 years pe ni tum si kheti claim bom nang tu ge pilo non sin nang chon nang hek pu 60 70 years len Sukuram Timung do tike ni tum thang problem we alang phan si palang vel lo caretaker prote akam lo ke lang sari la pen ni li pai tum ta bi hek lang pot la pen he o office ta me sakuri claim asila pu pir the ke nang le del lo ni li pai pu 1992 tara basa hawa nang le del si ke claim lo sita la so pian keก็จะเคลมเพื่อหลังตุ่มนั่งปีเป็นเดือนที่4ก็ไทยล้อละสปอร์ตนี่เลยตุ่ม through aero หอยแฟนละหอย official procedure กันนี่เคลมสิลงเลยตั้งทักปะเมล everything is genuine ละดักสิตันนี่เลยตุ่มจบอร์จสตีสิบุหงชาร์โวเป็นกันนี่เลยตุ่มฮาละดักตัว call ดังนึงเตะนี่เลยตุ่มพัน officially the market นั่งคุริปิปันนี่นั่นอันสินี่เลยตุ่มเสร็จตัว call ดังจีละล้อละเป็นหลังเลยตุ่มที่ปุ๊นี่ห้างรองผ่านนี่ตุ่มจีนี่เนี่ยakhirnya pak tada dak ku pak tada dak nang tak te pusini tum pan nang excuse in ton sop ni hang rong parliament ta aphan ta ni hang rong par si alang le tum aphu phan ge la dak chon nang mupen kar beng long ha war ke wan achir po pusi athema nili phu ge ni hang rong par ke ha jon nang muk ha war si school ga charli lp school be ko la pen Sukuram atum hem si Sukuram son of boholai Timung alang le tu hem si jon nang muk long ke do la pen hala dak Karbi hem pu selang do dun lo athema hala sot ke 1930 som ke karbi long hawar ke school ta we nasi karbi long so do an wian ta kampur jomnamuk nogaon si charli dam nang na nasi hala sot hadak si do dun lo api karbi long district long lo si Sukuram Timung ajir po phan da siwan no karbi long hawar phuluni hawar lang li ka to khola dim papalang toy lo atumu ke lahan lo si alang litum aphan nilitum la so prang ta alang litum phan 35 bighas so say la so non ka horisai dak number 51 opposite hapu the 35 bighas pielo la pen la so non nilitum dak number 51 ke 49 bighas something do alang le phan si ka pa ong lo 50% long le pidelo 24 bighas tin ko tha 17 lusas ke Sukuram Timung family tum phan si borsing borpothar la pen kangbura Timung family tum phansi alang tu tum phansi ka paong lo ka paong ta sita lang le tum mange kachirai labji phansi aning ka hak se everything is clear document la se prabjin pen ni li se jong se prabjin pen demarcation nang puri pilo adu hoi hima somcha nang puri pilo pulote ansi ni tum chu ko paidam hok lo la mange ni li tum in fact ni li tum la da apatan da do patai thido patai ding do la pen ni li tum phan dak council pen longle so case thak on po order da do la pen la son thak si ko kini non bang ke nang thak eta phi officially nang thak phi non bang hala so a hima long ta land demarcation puri da mon pu order da do hima somcha phan final order lo hala da athima la apata nang thak cho da bang ke officially nang thak cho bang ke ili adu hoi chi chi ne ek bigha along le do lo so tipul la puto nang thak ne ha puto nang thak ne ke officer source nang thak ji hala bang ke ko dak an tong hadak ke le dam pone thi himas ke chini lo ne tum dala pu hi na da hoi ves na bang sin tum chi chini ko dak an tong le dam ji ne li me thang se to kholo pote abc to kholam ja da thek mate kom cha da thek la ke official ga li lo me thang se claim bang ke sita 3 sides bang ne tum hoi chi chini lo la pen non hat jong for len atangka ta nilitum silong lo thema nilitum hello jinu no na lo pote hada dak number 296 originally la ke dak number 51 lo la whole 49 bighas something ke la se asong mong penang thak thu lo chitim nilitum phan mang dak ki mi sinang pi lo 296 lo la se 296 3D list on the check lo plote la non la land compensation about for len atangka long pot nilitum Indera Rongpharpi pahal dak pura tok me clear do la pen alang litum bang ke dak 100 dak 51 bang ke ครั้งเกโดโลเตมาไฮเวย์นะสิตานังทักเดตพีเกนี่ลิตุมบางซี296ไฮเวย์ก็ได้เงี้ยตุมพันังปีโลอลังลิตุมมันก็ฮับปูรองอโลสิเปกโลดัก51เกกลางลังนั่นเดเทมาลังตุมมันก็ฮับปูสิเกเปกอโลนะกูนาเบรองนะแต่เสียลังลิตุมเกลงดาลงเลยเดลโฟร์เลนตังกาเกสิตานี่ลิตนักเฮเลสิตาคิดเจตาจิงรุมเป็ดพอฮัลโลโซ2007 8 9อลอมสิตาคิดเจตาดีมาร์เคชันฟักตุรีลงเลยเดติกลาติมุงเฮมาสอร์ตุมบางพราง politician ตุมพันสมรองหางละเฮ้ยตุมหางลังตุมโฟนคุริปอปัสต็อปเช็คติปีนี้ก็เลยลังเป็นอับดิกปุระละเบนมัดซีนิลิตุมนอนนันตาหอยฮัลดักปุลงปะมีเมเดดมัดซีเอสเคมอนดอลตุมเป็นอามันนิลิตุมหอยชิๆเดดล้อซะrecord เต็งเป็นสิทธาบุฮิลงละเป็นแม่มุงคันลองเช็คตามรูปรถเต็นนิลิตุมชิๆนี้นิลิตุมพันอัปตาดักนบอร์นังที่ปีกิ296ล้อนิลิตุมพาร์มันละเป็น296กับผู้ national highway ก็ได้along leke ladak la phuluni bozar along amadlo ar vi side na kurna be arong along la se ihike national highway lo la pen la so dung isia side na da bangke la ke kosari to malong le baklari to malong le la pen ha ihina bangke bengali to malong le three side bangke ni le tum chichi ni lo sita hala pu ki juda na da side hala side pli ke chok na bang se west side na bang se ni tum chichi ni da lo pan athema la hui ke akam ke sk mondol tum si nang pun pinang ji ni le tum me thang le ke chi pun si a hima che paklang che pakke nge kam li le ke cheng si ke halang tum sarkar pe nang thak lo lo te hala tum si land and revenue staff tum si ni le tum han nang pun pi si an si ni le tum da che do kholam thak ji si 2004 si la da ni le tum han me di pataนังทักเหรอก็จะสลามละพอที่แบบนี้ตุ้มนังทักโลกอนซิลเป็น2004 6/12/2004ระดับตกดูสถานีลิตุ้มละอาคาจานันดาชิปีบอมละปีนี้อันนี้เท็กซ์มุขดูอันเวียนตา everything is clear นี่ลิตุ้มสถาอารมณ์เลี้ยบางนี่ลิตุ้มพันธุ์ปุ่นปีเปเดียนมา demarcation นังคุริเรกมานี่ลิตุ้มoccupy ดำโนดักลนั่นตานั่นสิปรับจินเป็นนี่ลิหินเป็นกระชุนิงริเก in the name of นิฮังการดีตังนิฮังรองพาร์อินุตการบีแฮมเปรกนังที่วันเปียบังล้อ district นังที่วันเปียบังล้อรูเซมซอนซิงอิงตีตุมเป็นจิซงรับเปียบังล้อคอร์ซิงอิงตีการดีตังคอร์ซิงอิงตี first CM of การบีงล้อเป็นเคลมรับเปียบังล้อละสิละเฮ้ยลังลิตุมอัมฮังลังระละนิฮังรองพาร์นิลิผัวพันสเมลับปรับจินเป็นนิลิตุมพัน justice เกลงเจพันซีนิลิโอเคดร.ตุลิรามรองหางพันสมินิลีมีเดียหอยเป็นสมัยลังลิพันโซอาลัมจิปีล้อนี่ลิตุมลงอันนี้ด็อกเมนต์โดละทาง officially everything is okay ทาง documents นี่ตุมไอ้ก็มาเวทางแต่ everything is การนี่ลิตุม